If you have a knack for computers or want to learn more, definitely you can join the program and they'll get you started.
An IT administrator, they're really a jack of all trades. You can go into a company and you could be specialized in servers, or you could be specialized in help desk, or you could be specialized in network, or you could go into a company and you would be all of it. The biggest appeal on the IT network admin is you really do get more hands-on with the physical hardware and the physical network. If you are a tactile type of person and you enjoy that hands-on, you enjoy tearing things apart and putting things back together and understanding how things work, then IT network admin is going to be the field that you want to go, because you're not going to be spending your whole career sitting behind a desk.
We are going towards a technology future, so learning as much as you can right now is really going to help you be able to stand apart from anybody else.
Everything in this world is technology. Everything is. And yes, we do so much more on our phones than what we ever did in the past, but there is a server behind those. There is a network behind those phones, and that has to be administered. Somebody has to know how to do those things.